Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have come in with the OLSP System Mega Link. So I'm live in my account here, and you'll see the box on the right-hand side is $193.40 in commissions. But more importantly in this video, to show you how with the mega link, you just promote one link and you've got an opportunity to be able to earn up to 7 income streams. And this is the owner here, Wayne Crowe. So the link in the description will give you access to this free video tour here, where you can come and meet the owner and creator of OLSP System, Wayne. A short 10-minute video here. We're going to give you a brief overview of exactly what the mega link is and how he wants to help every single person become successful to make money online. So I'm going to take you inside the members area and show exactly how this works. First of all, I'll just show you some proof of the where you can earn more than one income stream. I'll go into my dashboard here on the left hand side and commissions here, and I'm blurring out the members information for privacy. And what you'll see here is right hand corner, bottom right corner here, we've got 3 pages. So let's go back to the very beginning here, December the 6th, where I started this journey, and 100%. So the $7 you get for the mega link is a 100% commission. You'll see on here there's a mega messenger, which is another income stream. That's a $10.80 amount. Go on to another page here and show you a third income stream that's come in, and that is list building and magic link, and that's a $7 commission as well. So that's 3 out of the 7 income streams there that I've just shown you. Come back onto the today's date here. That's the balance on this column here that I just showed you on the beginning of the video, $193. And we've got lots more list building and magic link here that's converting well. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those on this page here. So 4 of those have come in just roughly in the last week there. So let me just show you now. Let me take you back into the members area, show you a couple of really important things. So the owner, Wayne, so this is a training here, how the mega link is spitting out thousands of commissions. You can watch that replay. Wayne does live trainings, question and answers. You can watch replays if you don't get a chance to see them first time round. So that's a mega link train that he's just done in the last few days. Yesterday here, he did it yesterday. So you can watch the replay there. Upcoming events. These 2 trainings here, what I recommend you watch if you decide you want to join us. This one here, both free trainings, and how I made 10 million in commissions. Click there to access the product, the training. So Wayne's been online for 15 years, and you'll see here he's made multi-millions. His goal is to help every single person make money online. He's doing a great job in helping people do that. This one here is the great training, the 100 commission hack, and you get that within your mega link, within the $7 that you've paid. And then your mega link training here is what I'm going to take you to now and just show you exactly how this system works. So if you're brand new, don't get overwhelmed by all these boxes here. There's nothing hard, nothing technical about this. And this is a training that when you first join. Now, if we come down here, this is really key, because he's drawn a line in the training here. This line, he's drawn a line down here. Now, that line's really important, because everything to the left-hand side of that line is all you've got to be concerned about, because this is a complete 100% done for you system. So this box here is all you've got to be concerned about. All you've got to do is learn one thing, and all you've got to do is learn traffic. and he trains you on how to get traffic in the members area. Now, what happens is you're going to promote one link, and he gives you your mega link. So you're just going to learn traffic and promote one link, and that's it. Your mega link is here in the top right hand corner. You just copy and paste that. Now what he gives you is he gives you a lead capture page. So when we say it's a complete 100% done for you system, it really is. It gives you the lead capture page. So when you promote your mega link, your prospects will see this page here. And when they put their email into here, then they go on a journey with a done for you funnel, a complete 100% done for you system. So everything to the right hand side of this line is what Wayne has created for you for a one-time $7. The value is absolutely insane, and it's a complete, let's put a funnel down here and show you what you're going to get. Done for you funnel. So you're going to learn how to generate traffic, and it doesn't matter what offer you're promoting online. The more you learn about traffic, the more successful you'll be. So you learn your traffic generation, and then what Wayne does, your prospects will opt into that lead capture page that I just showed you. They then will go onto an email list. Now, this email list is where Wayne sends out emails for you. Done for you system. You don't need an autoresponder. You don't have to write emails. You don't have to create subject lines. He's going to send emails out for you on autopilot. And in each of those emails that he sends out for you is going to be your affiliate link. Your affiliate link. And if anybody buys any of these products that he's promoting for you, they're ranging from low ticket to medium ticket. He's promoting monthly recurring commissions for you. He's promoting high ticket. If anybody joins and buys any of those products, you're going to earn commissions. And this is all for a one-time $7 payment. One-time $7 payment. And let's put down here NMC, no monthly costs. No monthly membership costs, no autoresponder, no lead capture pages to create. All you've got to do, just got one job, and that's to learn traffic, and he'll train you up on that. Now, it gets even better than that because he's got a Facebook group where he's built a community of people helping people. He calls it Helpenomics, I think he calls it. But in the Facebook group, you've got 142,000 members. A lot of beginners in here, making their first dollar online, becoming successful, getting into profit, staying in profit. So you've got affiliate marketers at all levels within here. Wayne is very active within the Facebook group. So help, support and training is here for you. I'll put my email address in the description if you'd also like to contact me by email. So everything you need is here to become successful with affiliate marketing with OLSP System Megalink. There will be an income disclaimer in the description, so I'm not making any income claims or guarantees with this offer. We've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and also promote the offer as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So I'm currently doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. My email address will be in the description as well if you'd like to contact me direct through email. I recommend that you click the link in the description and you just come and watch this free video tour. Come and meet Wayne. Come and meet Wayne Crowe. Great bloke. Really doing some great things and in helping affiliate marketers become successful. And he'll not only teach you how to promote OLSP, the skills and digital skills that he will teach you will enable you to promote any offer online and not just OLSP system. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.